Hello everybody, this here is W Country Boy / Liftmaster 82. What we have here is a Wayne Dalton garage door. We go ahead and run this. Nice smooth opening. And on the other side we have an 8550. Okay. 8550 opener. The Wayne Dalton garage door, vinyl back door. Go ahead and run it down real quick. Nice little opener. And this is a 10 by 7, a little wider door. With the soft closing touch. Yeah, there you go. That's the Wayne Dalton garage door with the 8550. Wayne Dalton vinyl back garage door. So, hope you all enjoy. Once again, this here is W Country Boy / Liftmaster 82. We'll go ahead and run this up, and that'll be it for the video. And here's the receiver with the lights. See them? So, alright, let's go ahead and just get out of here, and we'll be done for the day. And we have the smart control panel over there, which you can't see. Alright, let's go and run this puppy back down. This will be it for today. So this is a Wayne Dalton garage door with the vinyl back and the 8550 garage door opener, which is by Liftmaster. Alrighty, take care now. Bye-bye.